Good afternoon. First off, feels like it's been 1,000 hours since I've seen you guys last. Now, happy Thursday. Tomorrow, you will join me for a Zoom, which, by the way, I think you're going to enjoy. Never done it before, but I think it's going to be fun. So, down to today's assignment. Something that will really help you in school is the use of this. Now, I know that a lot of you kids are very, very resistant to writing things down. Now, when I was in 7th grade, I would have totally been an academy kid myself. I was horribly, horribly disorganized. I was a pretty smart kid, but I would lose things. I would put something into my backpack, and then 500 years later, I'd open it up and find this prehistoric piece of paper that I never knew that I had because I just stuffed it into the bottom of my backpack. So my job as your academy dad is to basically help that never happen. Your planner is the number one way that you can stay organized. So here is your task for today. What you're going to do is you are going to go to your planner and fill out everything that you have done this past week. So let me explain. We'll start down here with Academy. On Monday, I actually didn't see you guys at all, but instead what we did was introductions. So you're going to write introductions here. Then on Tuesday, you met me for the very first time. You Zoomed with Mr. Huntsinger, so we did that on Tuesday. Wednesday, what you did is you did the syllabus scavenger hunt. Okay, so you're going to write that there on Wednesday. Thursday, what you guys are going to write is you are going to write filled out planner. Now, here's maybe the hard part, which really isn't all that hard. What you're going to do is you're going to go to, if you're in my history class, you're going to fill out, okay, what did we do for the entire week up until Thursday for history? Okay, if you're in science class, you're going to fill out, okay, what did you do in each one of your classes up until Thursday for science? And then every single kid should have at least one English class and one math class. You're going to fill out, okay, what did you do in all of your classes all the way up until Thursday? So technically speaking, you don't have to do this for PE. If you don't want to, that's fine. But you should have 5 other classes filled out everything that you did Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. This doesn't have to be a big, long essay, nothing like that. Simply like syllabus scavenger hunt, Zoom with Mr. Huntsinger, filled out planner. If you can start using your planner to write down what you do, it's going to help you a ton, especially once we get a little bit later into the school year. You're going to have to start writing down assignments, projects. Maybe you're going to have a test here and there. This will be the key to having you stay organized and not become surprised when you have a test due tomorrow. So here's the way that I'm going to check this. I want you to right now spend your asynchronous time, which should take you 10 to 20 minutes, filling out every little box for all 5 classes, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Tomorrow, when we Zoom, I'm going to have you hold this up to the camera like this, and it should be really easy for me to see if you have something written in every single box. So if tomorrow I see that, you just got yourself another 10 points. It's another easy way for you to get an A. Start the school year off right. Piece of cake, simple and easy. All right, kiddos, I'll see you tomorrow. Can't wait to see a bunch of A's coming in.